Your Frigidaire induction range is easy to clean and delivers amazingly fast results. Here are some tips to help you get started with your induction cooking surface. Before using the cooktop, ensure your cookware is induction compatible by looking for an induction-ready symbol or seeing if a magnet sticks to the bottom. To turn on your induction cooking surface, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Next, place cookware on your desired cooking zone. The markings on the cooking zones show the minimum and maximum pan size. Try to use the zone that best fits the size of the cookware bottom. Press the on-off key for the corresponding zone. If a pan is not detected on a cooking zone within 30 seconds of powering on your cooktop, it will power off. You may slide your finger across or press a number until the desired cooking level is shown. The levels range from 1 to 9. Power Boost is the most powerful setting that boils water amazingly fast. The Power Boost setting will only remain active for 10 minutes before returning to the next highest level. A few tips to keep in mind while cooking on your induction surface. Make sure the cookware is induction ready, centered on the cooking zone, and not too small for the zone you're using. If you remove your cookware from a zone and do not replace it within 30 seconds, power will be shut off to that specific zone. It's best to lift cookware before moving it on your cooktop. Sliding it can mark or scratch the surface. The magnetic field over the cooking zone may cause cookware to vibrate, creating a buzzing or humming noise. These sounds are not unusual, especially at high settings. They may be caused by cookware that is not perfectly flat, a handle that is loose, or an empty pan. Be sure not to place any pots, pans, cooking utensils, or other kitchen items over the edge of the white line at the front of the cooktop. This is a safety feature, and if cookware or water is sensed over the white line for more than 30 seconds, it will shut off the power to the entire cooktop. The hot surface indicator shows if the cooking zone is off but still hot. Now let's review some unique induction functions. The Keep Warm function sets all active cooking zones to a low power level to keep foods warm until you are ready to serve. Press the Keep Warm indicator and it will turn red, setting all active cooking zones. The Bridge function allows the 2 left cooking zones to work together, enabling you to use larger cookware like a griddle. Power on your cooktop and place the griddle over the 2 left zones. When the zone controls sense the cookware, they will light up. Turn on the front cooking zone and choose your setting. Press the Bridge icon. The zone indicator for the rear zone will flash. Press the on-off icon for the rear zone to connect the bridge. Now you can control both cooking zones with the front zone control. The TempLock setting is available on the right front cooking zone and uses sensors in the cooktop to automatically adjust the power level to maintain a consistent temperature, even when cool liquid or food is added to the pan. It's like cruise control for your cooktop. Place cookware on the front right zone. Select the on indicator on the on-off key. Press the TempLock key on the far right side of the controls and select desired cooking level: simmer, sauté, sear, or boil. Now you're ready to start creating yummy meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.